Alright, I'm going to show you guys how to change the oil in this is a 2004 R6. Should be pretty similar to most other sport bikes. First thing you need is, if you don't have a motorcycle rear tire stand, you need to get one if you plan on working on your bike. It's only like 30 bucks anyways. So you need that. You need obviously a drain pan, and then for this R6, the oil filter's right here. So you gotta take this plastic cover off, which is these two bolts, this one, and I already took this one off right here. So just get that out of the way. And then on the other side here, this is where you're gonna put the oil at, and then this is where you check the oil, your dipstick there. And then you're gonna need 3 quarts of whatever oil you want to use. It's 2.75 to be exact, and you can use whatever you want. Filter, whatever filter you feel like using. I'm using the 303. And then Allen wrenches for the bolts for that fairing, to get that fairing off. That's for the oil drain bolt, and then for the oil filter itself. Alright, so got that fairing off. There's actually 8 bolts there. You gotta take that off. So this is what it's gonna look like. So you can see the filter quite a bit better now. So you can see the drain bolt right there too. So next step, just put your pan under it. Get your 17. You can use a ratchet too if you wanted to. Just let all that drain out and then move on to the filter next. Alright, well that's finishing up the draining. You can loosen your oil filter here, which I just did. It's a little tough getting the wrench or the pliers in there, but so now you can put your new oil filter on. I put some oil on the O-ring there as well. You want to get that pretty snug by hand. It should be good enough. And you can go ahead and put your drain bolt back in as well. So I'll just tighten both of those up, and then spray all this off with brake cleaner if you got some. So after you got both of those tightened up, now you can go ahead and start adding oil to it. Just take this plug off there. So I got a little bit left over of that third one, and then just put that cap back on there. So now you can just put your fairing back on, or you can wait until after you start it, see if there's any leaks, but I'm just going to put it back on. And then I'm going to clean and tighten this chain up, because I mean, this is perfect time to do it if you got the wheel up already. So then after that, I'll just take the jack back out, and then we'll start it up here and check the oil. Alright, so after you're all done, you got everything put back together, the chain all cleaned up too, and you'll just start it up. Then just check the oil. I mean, pretty much done.